Hello Blender fans, welcome to Blender TC. This is my first time here. Would you like to know how I made this apple? Please subscribe if you're interested. Subscribe if you like the model or would just like to see the tutorial. Thanks in advance. Terry Cassidy at Blender TC. Right, this is the finished model. I'll just go through looking through the camera. That's wireframe. That's the clay render. This is the Eevee render without shadows. And this is the cycles render. Please let me know if you're interested, and I'll make the tutorial. This is Blender TC signing off. Please subscribe.